What happens when an individual receives a DUI and there were drugs and weapons found in the car? Attorney Jonathan Sills explains, I've actually handled many cases like that. If the person has a valid permit for a weapon, the charge is usually carrying a weapon while under the influence of alcohol. That's a separate charge from the DUI, and that's a misdemeanor offense. The quantity of the drugs in the car certainly could be a misdemeanor, it could be a felony, and it could even rise to the level of possession with intent to sell. Many people who are in the business of selling drugs are also in the business of possessing firearms for protection. So that sort of inference certainly could be drawn if there's a sufficient amount of drugs and there's also weapons in the vehicle. In that sort of situation, the DUI is probably the least of the person's worries. But if you take a case in which the person is stopped, arrested for DUI, and they maybe have a very small amount of marijuana in the vehicle, and they have a pistol they're legally permitted to possess, then the DUI is typically looked at as a more serious offense in that sort of instance. So it really varies depending on the weapons and the drugs involved. For more information and a free phone consultation, contact attorney Jonathan Sills at 1-800-608-6636 or visit him on the web at ctcriminallawattorney.com.